Sup everybody, Logan from Crypto Videos back with another video. Today we're going over the Cycle Network token. Ticker symbol is CYC. Now this token is getting a very big central exchange listing starting August 4th on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt, and always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So their webpage is cyclenetwork.io. So it says here, the genesis of Cycle Network in the rapidly evolving realm of Web3, the issue of scaling has persistently emerged as one of the foremost challenges so far. Developers are shifting different scaling solutions and wandering plans from bridging to roll-ups, light clients, and IBC methods. However, these new methods still present roadblocks, problems with shattered liquidity, overloaded transaction costs, endless deep learning, and trust hypothesis and centralized service still exist and are still in an unstable status. These limitations reduce access to the broader Web3 ecosystem of creativity, users' liquidity, and increased constraints of a particular technology inspired by Zelda, a famous open-world game. We discussed the possibility of omni-chain info asset communication solutions with trustless hypothesis and better developing experience, and introduce our solution, the Cycle Network, a tale inspired by Zelda Web3 freedom. So we'll get to that in a second here, but this token here, it's on multiple chains. So it's an ERC20 token and a BEP20 token. You can find it on Etherscan and on Bsc Scan. They have a Twitter that I'm going to put in the corner of the screen there. You can see they have a huge following, 339,200 Twitter followers at cyclenetwork_go. Has a full link tree there that'll take you anywhere you need to go. And it was just announced that this token will be listed starting August 4th at 12 o'clock UTC time. This token will be available on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code in the description box of this video. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code, open an account, fund your account with USDT. Then when this token gets listed on the 4th, go into the trade section and search CYC, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. Now it says here, Cycle Network is building a universal all-chain settlement layer and a bridgeless liquidity network for the entire blockchain ecosystem. It is incubated by YZI Labs and invested by Vertex Ventures, lead investor Subfund, and Temasek Holdings. There is a total supply of 1 billion tokens. And it says, we are getting inspired by the game Zelda Tears of Kingdom. As a player, all you need to do is activate the Skyview Town Open and expand the map. Each time you open a tower, you'll be given a new skills and tools. What's even better is that you don't have to go around learning how to fight monsters and collecting potentially useless weapons like most games. Instead, you can use functions such as Ultra Hand and Fuse to grab, rotate, Lift, align, attach, and upgrade objects using your imagination to create the tools and weapons you need from the objects around you. The freedom of creativity is a pivotal aspect of Zelda's appeal and is also something in the ethos of the crypto world. In the world of Web3, developers find themselves in an experience different from the world of games like Zelda. Developers constantly struggle to balance their desire to create, innovate products, and improve user experiences, limited by the fragmented Web3 landscape. The reality requires builders to cater to users on various chains in a flustered way. So the questions then raise, why can't Web3 developers focus on innovating their products and enhancing user experiences based on their desired business experience rather than reinvent the wheel? Can anyone help developers to build their own transportations, tools, and weapons? Can we build the world of Web3 as Zelda, with developers envisioned as players in the Zelda game? Inspired by Zelda, a famous open-world game, we discuss the possibilities of the Omni-chain. In comes the Cycle Network's mission, which is to empower the boundless creativity of Web3 by providing a chains network with seamless liquidity and functionality across all chains, and self-custody function, aka the settlement layer, shared liquidity model, and a AA model. Cycle aims to liberate developers from repetitive tasks, from different layer structures to information, asset synchronization, and deployment. Cycle encourages developers to wander uncharted realms, exploring the vast potential of Web3 without the burden of reinventing the wheel at every turn. Imagine a Web3 world that resembles the enchanting realms of Zelda. In this world, developers are like players who possess features like Ultra Hand Fuse and Skyview Tower Open. Developers can easily create decentralized applications, aka dApps. Through a simplified process by using simple actions, developers can seamlessly assemble functionalities across the expanse of Web3. Cycle frees users from mastering each blockchain's intricacies, making it easier to weave their creativity. If you go to their webpage, cyclenetwork.io, you're going to find all sorts of links like the SDK, the white paper, documents, Medium articles. There's case studies. You can explore. Then there's contact information there, all sorts of socials like a Telegram, Twitter. They even have a GitHub on here. All sorts of info on there. And like I said, this token will be available on the 4th on Mexc Global. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.